Hey everyone, my name is Parth and welcome to the very first YouTube video of mine. What I'm going to do via my YouTube video or via my YouTube channel is I'm going to create or try creating a tool or software purely using AI agents or AI tools like ChatGPT, like AI, like Grok, like DeepSeek, like Cursor and whatnot. Uh, Purely based on these tools, we will be creating a software. Uh, Now, very clearly, I am not a software guy. I don't know what software is. But yes, in last one and a half year, uh, AI has really changed the way people are working, and that is where I started learning about AI. So, as step one, uh, where we want to really create a software, I think. Research is going to be one of the most important part, and hence in this video what we are going to do together is we are going to research on some ideas. Now, very honestly, I don't even know what these ideas are. I'm just trying to research some popular platforms and try to get some idea out of it. In this very video, all I'm going to show you guys on how do you research. uh, so what I'm doing is I'm going to use two tools over here. One is Grok. Grok is nothing but AI giant from X, Twitter, or Mr. Elon Musk. And then there is ChatGPT. Now, I have a very biased reason for Grok. Now, since Grok is nothing but Twitter, it has, or it is made by Twitter, it has a very close integration with that platform. And hence, my assumption is that it would be able to do a lot better research than what a ChatGPT would do. But yes, I still trust ChatGPT more because in the past I've had some bad experience with Group when it comes to research. And yeah, as a backup, ChatGPT is also something what we will be using. Based on the quality of output, we will select which report is better, and we would go to the next step based on that particular report. So before we proceed, I would want to also show you a bit on how do you really write a prompt. A lot of people have an idea, have a very vague way of writing a prompt where, let's say, they upload a document and they write, analyze this. Or let's say they want to research something. The prompt is research about what are the new AI agents which can help me eliminate a customer care support function. Now, these are very vague or very broad spectrum prompt, and hence the kind of output what you would always get will always be a very generic one. And hence, it is very important that you write a good prompt. You give all sort of instruction. You write how do you want the report to be structured or output to be structured, and yeah, that is, I think, the base of how do you really create a good prompt. So let me start the video. I have pre-recorded this video because, like I said, it is my first video. I did not know uh, what would really look good. So maybe let's say 2 videos, 3 videos, 10 videos down the line, I might improve. But yeah, all your suggestions are always welcome in the comment section. So yeah, starting with the prompt. So what I've asked Group over here is, uh, since I want to do a research, I have told them that you should act like one of the top tier consultant, like either from Bain or BCG or McKinsey, so on and so forth. And I want them to research on the tools which people are searching for. So what I've asked them is I have asked them that they should research very clearly on platforms like X, Reddit, Facebook, Quora, or any kind of blogs where people have really written that they are looking for something but they have not found out. Second instruction is I want these ideas to be simpler since we are going to use AI tools only. And I don't come from that background, so maybe understanding a lot of technicalities is a difficult thing for me, and hence my instruction is very clear. It should be a simpler idea, but yes, there has to be a gap for it. There should a gap which exists. And yes, I've asked the tool to generate at least 10 options. Now again, these options should be high search volume. If let's say in entire earth there is just one person who have searched something, that is again not going to be a viable model for us. And hence I've asked them that the search volume should be high. Also, I've mentioned that I would someday try and monetize this particular product, and hence I want that idea as well. And my research has to be extremely high quality. Now, I've also given an output format as well. Uh, though I want the report to be as lengthy as possible, but in a tabular form, I also need all the ideas with two liners on it. It is just more of a summary so that I can at least go through it instead of going through an entire document. In the last line, what I've also mentioned is I've asked group that before they proceed, they can ask whatever questions they have to clarify their doubts. Group being group did not really paid attention to my last line, and it straight away generated the report. So yeah, here is what deep research in group looks like. Now remember, when you are researching, always use this deep search or deep research function, which is available in all the AI models, whether it is group, whether it is ChatGPT or Gemini. If you do this, of course, your output time will go up drastically, but then it would really produce some good quality research. So now Grok has taken close to 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 30 seconds to really research and uh, find the ideas for us. And yeah, this is what the tools, or rather the report, looks like. Now, if you see, it is given the methodology, they've given the finding, but this is where Guru has really messed up. And hence, I mentioned the very last line to ask questions and seek clarity. Now, what my prompt was, if you read very carefully, I'll just go back to the prompt. I'd ask them to research platforms like X, Reddit, Facebook, Quora, and to find out the tools which people are looking for, which are simple, but there exists a gap. Now, what Grok did was Grok researched those kind of posts or articles or questions which were posted by users on Reddit or on X, which they are seeking to improve experience of Reddit. So, for example, a subreddit recommender. I'm sure even I use Reddit. A lot of people would have requested this, that let's say I'm following a lot of AI subreddits, AI related subreddits, but I always feel that I'm missing something. So a lot of people would have searched it, and that is what Group told me, that you should create a subreddit recommender or AI tweet composer. So yes, it followed my prompt, but did not really understand what am I trying to look for. So my intention of research was I wanted to create a very different software, something like expense tracker or something like step counter maybe. But yeah, I think Group misunderstood the entire prompt, and it generated, I think, a very good high quality document, but of no use for us. So yeah, if you see, it is given a lot of things. It's given monetization strategy, and it is given a lot of things. But like I said, it is of no use for us, and hence we will move to ChatGPT. Uh, Now, what I've done over here is, as soon as I went to ChatGPT, I have changed my model in ChatGPT. So from, let's say, O4 or ChatGPT 4 or O4, I have used 4.5. I think 4.5 is really great when it comes to deep research. Uh, the exact same prompt which I had given to Group, I have copy pasted over here on ChatGPT. But yes, I have added two additional instructions which I will show you over here. Now, why this additional instruction is, uh, what we saw with Group. Group misunderstood the entire query, entire prompt, and it generated some random report. Uh, just to ensure that the time is not wasted, I was very clear that I would give that two instructions so that ChatGPT does not make the same mistake. There is no biasness. It is just I learned something from that mistake and I'm trying to correct it over here. So if you see, I have copy pasted that entire prompt over here, but I am writing two additional instruction. One instruction is that uh, exactly the same thing. I do not want the suggestion which helps to improve Reddit or X. I do not want to create that, and hence I have given that as an instruction. And I have given example of what I'm actually looking for. So here I'm use example like let's say a lot of people actually search for this tool, which is a meal preparation tool based on whatever leftovers they have in their pantry or refrigerator. So yeah, this is one example which I have put over here. So that again, ChatGPT does not make that same mistake. Also, I've told that I would be using tools like Replit, Lovable, V0, Bolt, and so on and so forth. And hence, the research should incorporate those ideas which can be made via these tools. Uh, and, uh, and hence, it eliminates a technical knowledge which one would need to make something which is really technologically advanced. Now, if you see, I have pressed deep research button over here. This will ensure that the output is in research format. ChatGPT actually takes much longer time than Group. You will see over here, I think 9 or 10 minutes. Now, one thing differently what ChatGPT did was, if you remember from Group, when I had fired the send button, it straight away generated the report. What ChatGPT did over here is, uh, my last instruction is I want ChatGPT to ask me questions to seek any kind of clarification. Exactly, that's what ChatGPT did. ChatGPT had a few questions and it requested me to answer them before they proceed. So it's the questions where whether I want to build something which is in specific geography, whether I'm focusing on B2C or B2B, whether let's say I want to prioritize monetization directly or something which can grow organically, so on and so forth. So what I've done is I've exactly copy pasted the same thing over here and I have given answers. Let's say geographically, it could be anything. For B2B, B2C, I've asked them to focus on to really use their expertise. My idea is B2C, but if they have better idea, they can ChatGPT can suggest. Monetization is not an immediate priority, hence they can ignore. So yeah, as soon as I had given my instruction and I hit the send button, ChatGPT started researching. Uh, like I said, ChatGPT took around maybe around 9 minutes to 10 minutes as compared to 3.5 4 minutes which group took. uh, I don't know whether group, if I would have given exactly this instruction over there, group would have generated a better output. Maybe that is something what we can try. Let me know if you really want to check that out in the comment section. I will try to do that for you guys. uh, but yeah, I did not want to really spend that more 10 minutes making the same mistake. So I tried correcting my prompt. Uh, so yeah, if you see 27 sources is what ChatGPT really searched for. And yeah, a very detailed report what ChatGPT gave us. Uh, so if you see, there's user-driven app ideas in 2025. Uh, Users across Reddit, Facebook, Quora, X are constantly voicing unmet needs for tools. It has given 10 ideas. It has ensured that it can be built via platforms like Replit V0. Each idea is grounded in real user demand, shows signs of growing interest, and blah blah blah. Like I said, I was expecting a tabular a table with some 2 to 3 points on each of these ideas. So let's say the second idea is to-do list with templated notes. This is I think what people are actually looking for, or real-time translation for calls. This is what people are actually looking for. Maybe Samsung has it, no other phone has it. People are looking for it, and there is one line or two sentences on what this actually means. A tool that provides live speech translation during video voice call, bridging language gaps in conversation. Uh, or reseller cross listing manager. I think this is a very real problem where uh, people are actually, or resellers are actually listing their products on eBay, Amazon, Etsy. Here in India, it's Meesho. And I think all of them have their own different listing formats, and hence maybe let's say users are looking for a tool where just one format can serve the purpose or AI can directly fill it. Not sure whether we'll be able to build this or not. But yeah, these are I think the most common ideas or most uh, search for ideas which can easily be built using AI is what ChatGPT has suggested. And then, okay, one good thing what ChatGPT has also done is ChatGPT has for all of the idea ChatGPT has also given us one second. So sorry. Yeah, ChatGPT has given us user needs and market gaps. Why is it promising? Whether it is feasible or not, and whether any monetization. Why is it promising? Whether any monetization can be done over there or not. So this is very good and quite well researched. Well, it is not just sticking to the idea, but why we should do it, how we should do it, what are the features, how can you monetize it, and all of those things is something. What is the concept? What is the user pain point? All of these things is what ChatGPT has really given us. Uh, so very clearly, as of now, ChatGPT wins. So what we will be doing is based on this entire output, we would be going ahead with ChatGPT. So in the next video, what we'll do is uh, I will read this entire document once and pick and choose one or two ideas which I feel I can make. And in the next video, we will try to research more about that idea and try to make a business case out of that idea purely using AI. And we will debate, we will uh, make sure that ChatGPT acts as a business partner and try and debate and criticize us to really come out with some excellent business plan. So yeah, this is what we would be doing in the next video. And hence all of these video will be one part of our final app journey. Like I said, I don't know whether we will be able to build the app or not. But yeah, let's really try uh, and at least attempt building it. Maybe we might fail, but it's fine. Uh, like I said, I don't know if I would have given exactly same prompt of ChatGPT to group would have done better job or not. So let me know if you want to see it. More than happy to uh, uh, shoot a video on that. Yeah, I think that's all for today's video from my side. Like I said, this is my first video. Uh, so please share your feedback uh, or any place where you would want me to improve in the comment section. I would try and incorporate it, and maybe it would take me 3, 4, 5 videos more to really understand what kind of quality, how the editing should be done. Uh, like I said, I'm also learning. It's my very first video. Uh, but yeah, as and how we move ahead, the quality of video will get better and better. Yeah, thank you. And if you have liked it, do consider subscribing the channel.